Happy Saturday, everyone. It is 6 o'clock and we have been up since 5. Kaylin decided that it was just time to wake up at 5, give him his bottle, hoping he would go back to sleep, but he didn't. So now I'm going to retry those pancakes I did, I think, a couple weeks ago. This is the recipe I am talking about, so hopefully we can make it work. And then I am also going to put it in the blender to maybe blend a lot better and get those oats down to more powder. So we shall see. Kayla. Oh, yep, he loves playing with our pantry door. He'll just keep slamming the door over and over and over.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi everybody. Are you gonna help Mama make my pancakes? Yeah, you're gonna help blend? Oh, so much fun. First pancake in the pan, hopefully for a lot better results this time. So our original plan was to go to a pumpkin patch near Corpus today and possibly meet up with some friends of ours. But they moved the opening date back, so therefore we can't go this weekend. They're now opening up next weekend, so hopefully we'll be able to go then, but kind of messed up our plans for today. So we have to figure out now what we're gonna do. First pancake was a success. I am drinking my pumpkin spice everything coffee. It is so good. That is one of the best things I love about fall is pumpkin spice everything. Apparently our cats agree too. That is way too early to wake up. Hi, Pizza. There, too. Oh, you're so pretty. I was just filming the cats and Kaylin started to shock, and then he did a big old grin as soon as I put the camera in front of his face. Are you gonna smile? You wanted the camera? No? Just smile. What are you doing, silly? Hi. No. Oh, hi. Thank you. So, here is my pancake. I kind of screwed Austin's up a bit, but hey, they're still edible. Kaylin. Hi. Where are you? There he is. There's Kaylin. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure we decided to go to IKEA. Austin is cleaning up after breakfast, and I'm fixing to pack Kaylin his backpack for the trip, and we're gonna head out soon. Every time Austin leaves to go do laundry or whatever, Kaylin insists on standing on the window and banging on it. It's the cutest thing ever. He's like, let me out. What you doing? Were you going to fade? And then Fade's like, negative. Kaylin, are you reading? Oh, on to something else. Oh, why not a shoe? Oh, Mama's clip, my favorite. Fade's just looking at him like he's crazy. Oh, okay. Bye, Kaylin. No, we don't eat clip, Fade. Fade, we don't eat clip. Before we go. I need to show y'all Kaylin's newest art. C is for car, and D is for dinosaur. I'm not sure how many of y'all do kind of like shakes with protein, kind of like meal replacements. But Austin and I decided to try rice milk because we try to do non-dairy as possible, and we were looking for an alternative to nut milk. And this rice milk made my shake taste so good. Very good. I highly recommend if y'all are trying to stay dairy-free to give rice milk a shot because I like it a lot. And we also tried Ripple, and to me it's very thick. We did this Ripple Unsweetened Original. Very, very thick. I didn't like it. Austin liked it, but not so much. Looks like we are headed out just in time. It is rumbling outside. So that'll be good because we would be stuck inside anyway at home, and now we get to go do something fun.
Just take me down to the...
Such a pretty rainbow.
Bear shook his head.
Austin and Kaylin at Buc-ee's. Kaylin just woke up from a nap and we're fixing to go in. Buc-ee's, our favorite. Now we're just trying to figure out what we want to get as a quick little snack before we get back in the truck and get to IKEA. You can tell he's so happy. We made it to IKEA, and yes, we took full advantage of the child close parking spots. And there's IKEA. If y'all remember from the aquarium video, we will see how he does with elevators this go around. Are you happy? David. Hey. Hi. Here we go. A very big elevator. I'm in one of the corners. Oh, what is that? Hi, baby. Oh, not too shabby. Oh, and we're... Hey. Are you checking everything out? Man, I wish we were in a tiny home. I would just buy the whole 590 square foot house. Hey. Kaylin, you were just smiling. So cool. I love it. Are you gonna smile? Kinda, sorta. This is always my all-time favorite kitchen in IKEA. I love cabinets, the lines and everything. She's so pretty. Are y'all playing? Oh, he's too busy watching people.
Kaylin, do you like the baby shark?
Rah, rah, rah. Mwah.
Baby
Rah,
shark?
rah, rah. Mwah. Do you want the sharky? Sharky, sharky, sharky. Sharky, sharky, sharky. Yeah. Shark and Kaylin. Rah, rah, rah. Rah, rah, rah. Aww. Are you sitting on your chair in a Christmas display? Yeah. Did you show the tree? I think the tree is pretty cool.
All right, we're heading into Lowe's. We're going to pick up a little bit of lumber to get ready for building a raised bed that Carrie really wants.
Kaylin just chilling, eating Mama's folder. Dad is finding 2x4s so we can get what we need. Wood, and more wood.
Can't wait for his Boston market. Look at all that beautiful. Right, Kaylin? You excited about it?
Are you ready to eat? Yum yum.
Really?
And there. Boston Market was so good. We all enjoyed our meal. Kaylin ate plenty of mashed potatoes and some chicken, and we are on our way home. I'm hoping to maybe find a Starbucks to stop at to get an iced spiced pumpkin latte. We will see. Yum, iced pumpkin spice latte. Excited. Surprise, surprise. Running into more rain. Seems like we cannot get away from this. I guess that's a good reason why we went to IKEA today, and then we just stuck inside. are home from Houston. Just dropped off some Boston Market for my parents. Austin's bringing in all the stuff we bought. And I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day, but at least we have a break in the rain. Nothing like getting into an IKEA project. Stuff all over the place. Austin took Kaylin out to help feed the dogs. So allow me some more time to get this done. Kaylin, are you helping Dada? He's like, I don't know about this. It's kind of muggy outside. While I started putting together the IKEA purchase, Austin started shredding our pasture. A little bit to go, but we have to go get some diesel to finish. Are you helping Dada read the instructions? That's such a good boy, Kaylin. Are you helping? Are you being the foreman, watching your employee work? Oh, yes. Good job. Thank goodness we're almost done. Yeah. Just wanted to show you a few things that we picked up at IKEA today. I got this tambourine. I think that's what you call it from IKEA. Daycare has one of these. And they came in a 2-pack, this yellow one and a red one. Picked up 2 new oven mitts. A couple pads so I can put hot pans on our island. And then the shark that y'all saw in the video. It's pretty big. He's really cute though. His name is Sharky Shark. That's a big picture of him. Oh, his fin's messed up. There we go. Big shark. Kaylin loves him. So little man is asleep. I don't know if I already told you that, but in case I didn't, he's asleep and we are fixing to eat some soup that I got from Boston Market. It's a spicy chicken enchilada soup and it is really, really good. Yum. We just finished supper. Did you like the soup?
It was actually pretty good. It was a little spicy, but it was good. It had a lot of good flavor.
It was amazing. We just sat down to watch, what is the movie called?
Father Figures.
Father Figures, and eating some dessert, and then we're gonna head on to bed. Hope y'all all had a great Saturday, and see y'all tomorrow.
Bye, guys.